Hi, it's been 15 years of Google's DevFest and I'm glad to have been part of this journey. And in celebration of the 15 years of DevFest, I recently received this swag package from the team at Google Developer Groups, and today we're going to be unboxing it together. So if you've never heard about DevFest, DevFest is one of those global tech events that you must attend, and it's powered by Google Developer Groups. And over the past 15 years, Google Developer Groups have organized DevFest across the globe, and I've been part of those people that have organized DevFest in Bara. And trust me, DevFest is one of those events that you'll attend and get to meet experts, beginners, intermediates, and you'll get to learn a lot of things. You'll get to network, you'll get to connect with people, and it's really one event I would vouch for. I would want anyone out there in tech to attend. So as someone has been part of several DevFests by organizing them, speaking at DevFests, and doing a lot of other things to make sure that DevFests actually happen, I'm really excited to receive this package. It really means a lot to me. It means I feel appreciated, I feel involved, and it honestly means much to me. And let's unbox it together. So we are going to unbox, as I tell you, about my GDG journey. So GDG stands for Google Developer Groups, and I happen to be an organizer for Google Developer Groups Cloud Barara. And being part of this community will help you grow your skills as a professional. Now for cloud, it's basically more about the cloud technologies and a lot more around that. So if you're a techie and you're looking for a professional community that you can be part of, then look out for a GDG community near you. I'm going to attach links in the description for the different Google Developer Groups communities that you can join. So there is a card, Google Developer Groups. We want to express a heartfelt thank you to the organizers of DevFest, our community-led conference that has thrived for 15 years. You've navigated incredible change and created a welcoming home for your tech community each year. Your dedication has fostered learning, collaboration, and growth, and we're incredibly grateful for your hard work. We aspire to show up to support you as you do for Google. This is a small token of appreciation. Oh, this is sweet. Then this is the wrapping with a 15 years of DevFest sticker, and let's see what's actually there. This. Oh, it actually also has the 15 years of DevFest badge. Okay. It's in my size, medium. And it has Google Developer Groups engraved at the back. Yeah, I really feel excited about this. I'm definitely going to put it on my next tech event. This is a sign for you to join Google Developer Groups and serve the community. So I extend my heartfelt appreciation to the team at Google Developer Groups for not only sending me swag, but for supporting my journey as we grow the community right here in Bara and other communities across Sub-Saharan Africa. This really means much. This means that whatever we are doing is actually being seen, and whatever impact we are creating means much to the greater team at Google. And for the community members, thank you so much for walking the journey with me, and I hope I continue to serve you better. So if you've been looking for a Google Developer community to join, you can join. I'm going to attach the link to GDGs across Sub-Saharan Africa. Actually, GDGs all over the world, and you can choose one that is close to you and actually be part of it. And if you didn't watch my video about Google Developer communities that you can join right from GDG on campus and GDG Women Tech Makers, then I'm also going to attach the video. Then you can go and watch and follow and see how you can actually join those communities. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video.